ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે રિટાયરમેન્ટ બેનિફિટ એનો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાવ સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ ઓફ રિટાયરમેન્ટ બેનિફિટ, ધેટ ઇઝ પેન્શન. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, પેન્શન. There are two types of pension. First is uncommuted pension, second is commuted pension. What is uncommuted? Uncommuted means received every month. જે દર મહિને એઝ એ પાર્ટ ઓફ સેલરી જે પેન્શન મળશે, જે દર મહિને મળશે, મંથલી મળશે, એને અનકમ્યુટેડ કહેવાય. સેકન્ડ, કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શન. જ્યારે રિટાયર્ડ થતો હોય કોઈ પણ એમ્પ્લોય ત્યારે એને એક ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવે કે જે એના પેન્શન એકાઉન્ટની અંદર જેટલી પણ રકમ છે એમાંથી સમ પાર્ટ એ વિડ્રો કરી શકે. તો જે વિડ્રો સિંગલ ટાઈમ વિડ્રો કરી શકશે, ધેટ ઇઝ લમસમ. This is called commuted pension. So uncommuted pension, commuted pension. So uncommuted pension is fully taxable to any type of employee. કોઈ પણ ટાઈપનો એમ્પ્લોય, whether it is government employee or non-government employee, uncommuted pension એટલે કે જે દર મહિને પેન્શન રિસીવ થાય છે એ પેન્શન ટેક્સેબલ થશે. કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શન એની અંદર બે પાર્ટ પડશે, વેધર ઇટ ઇઝ રિસીવ્ડ બાય ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોય ઓર વેધર ઇટ ઇઝ રિસીવ્ડ બાય નોન ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોય. જો ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોયને કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શન મળતું હોય તો રિસીવ્ડ બાય ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોય, ધેન ઇટ ઇઝ ફુલ્લી એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ ફ્રોમ ટેક્સ. એટલે કે ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોય માટે કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શનની અમાઉન્ટ ફુલ્લી એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે, એના ઉપર કોઈ ટેક્સ લાગશે નહીં. If received by non-government employee, then there are further two conditions. First, gratuity received. Second, gratuity not received. જો કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શન નોન ગવર્મેન્ટ એમ્પ્લોયને મળતું હોય તો એના માટે પાછી બે કન્ડિશન આવશે. ફર્સ્ટ કન્ડિશન, એમ્પ્લોયને ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી મળે છે, એમ્પ્લોયને ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી નથી મળતું. If gratuity received, then 1/3 of total commutable value is exempted. જો ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી મળતી હોય તો ટોટલ કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શનના 1/3 એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે. જો ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી ન મળતી હોય, ઇફ ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી નોટ રિસીવ્ડ, ધેન 1/2 ઓફ ટોટલ કમ્યુટેબલ વેલ્યુ ઇઝ એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ. તો 1/2 એટલે કે અડધું, હાફ કમ્યુટેડ વેલ્યુના એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે. નાવ એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ પેન્શનના. ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ પેન્શન, that is 21. Example number 21 of your book. Mr. A retired on 30th 10/2019. ક્યારે રિટાયર થઈ છે? 13/10/2019. After completing 30 years service, after completing 30 years service, and rupees 5 lakhs as a gratuity received by him from his employer. So he is received gratuity. It is given that કે એને gratuity મળે છે. His average monthly salary for 10 months before the month of retirement was 16,000. Average 10-month monthly salary. His monthly pension has been fixed 7,000. This is uncommuted pension જે દર મહિને મળશે. On 1/2/2020 he received 2,70,000 as a commuted pension by surrendering his 1/2 right. This is very important for us, surrendering 1/2 right. Determine taxable income of pension and gratuity. First of all આપણે પેન્શન ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી. Okay, he retired on 31/10/19. Service year 30 years. Last 10-month average salary. It is given last 10-month average salary before the month of retirement 16,000. So here he is non-government employee, gratuity received not covered under gratuity act, એટલે આપણે condition number 3 થી gratuity ની calculation કરશું. Gratuity not covered under Gratuity Act 1972. Minimum of following is exempted. First condition, actual gratuity received by him. Actual gratuity received. Actual gratuity received by him is 5 lakhs. Second condition, last 10 months average salary multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service years. Last 10-month average salary is 16,000 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year 30 years. So 16,000 multiplied by 30 divided by 2,40,000. Third, maximum rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these three, minimum is exempted, 2,40,000. So taxable is equal to actual received minus exempted. Actual gratuity received by him is 5 lakhs minus exempted 2,40,000, then 2,60,000 is taxable. Here this is our first answer. Second, pension. First of all, uncommuted pension. His pension has been fixed rupees 7,000. After retirement, he is getting his pension. Retirement date 30th/10/2019. So from 1st November he is getting his pension. November 19, December 19, January 20, February 20 and March 20. His monthly pension has been fixed rupees 7,000. His monthly pension has been fixed rupees 7,000. So November, December, January. Now it is given that from February he surrender his 1/2 right. February he surrender 1/2 right. So here pension પણ અડધું થઈ જશે. 7,000 ના હાફ 3,500, ત્યાર પછી એને 3,500 મળશે. So 7,000 multiplied by 3, 7,000 multiplied by 4, that is 28,000. Taxable uncommuted pension. Second, commuted pension. Okay, he commute on 1/2/2020. by surrendering his 1 by 2 right, percentage and amount. 1 by 2, then amount is 2,70,000. So 1 ત્યારે કેટલા 2,70,000 multiplied by divided by 1 by 2, that is 2,70,000 multiplied by 2, that is 5,40,000. This is total commuted value, total commuted value. Now he is non-government employee and received pension, received gratuity. So condition number this is applied, gratuity received by him, then 1 by 3rd of total commutable pension is exempted. Total commuted na 1 by 3 exempted. So exempted commuted pension received gratuity. So 1 by 3 of total commuted value is exempted. Total commutable pension is 5,40,000 and 1 by 3 divided 540 divided by 3, that is 1,80,000 is exempted. So taxable is equal to actual received minus exempted. Actual commuted received by him is 2,70,000 minus exempted 1,80,000. So 2,70,000 minus 1,80,000, 90,000 is taxable. Uncommuted 28,000 and commuted 90,000. So total taxable pension is 28,000 plus 90,000, that is 1,80,000. This is your answer. Next, example number 2 of pension, that is example number 10 of your book. Mr. Jagdish retired after 35 years and 7 months service from a private firm. It is given that he is retired from private firm. 35 year and 7 months private firm. At the time of retirement on 31st/12/2019 ના રોજ રિટાયર થાય છે. His monthly salary was 20,000. Average every year he got an increment rupees 2,000 in July, 1st July. At the time of retirement he got commuted pension 2,40,000. Commuted pension 2,40,000. Compute 60% of total commutable pension. Gratuity received is 4,50,000. Dearness allowance was 50%, out of which 60% DA is considered for retirement benefit. Calculate taxable amount of gratuity and pension. Gratuity and pension ni આપણે taxable amount find કરવાની છે. First of all we find for gratuity. He retired on 31st 19. Service year 35 and 7, that is 35 year, because fraction year ignore thase. Monthly salary, his monthly salary on 31st 2012 is 20,000. So સૌથી પહેલા આપણે last 10 months average salary find કરવી પડશે. He retired on December 19. Serial number, month, salary, that is basic salary 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. December ના retired થાય છે December 2019, November 19, October 19, September 19, August 19, July 19, June 19, May 19, April 19 and March 19. December ના એની બેઝિક સેલેરી કીધું છે આપણે 20,000. સો નવેમ્બર ના પણ 20,000, ઓક્ટોબર પણ 20,000, સપ્ટેમ્બર પણ 20,000, ઓગસ્ટ પણ 20,000, જુલાઈ પણ 20,000. જુલાઈમાં એને ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ મળે છે 2,000, એટલે જુલાઈ પહેલાં એની સેલેરી હશે 18,000. 20,000 multiplied by 6, 18,000 multiplied by 4. 20,000 multiplied by 6, 1,20,000, and 18,000 multiplied by 4, that is 72,000. 72 plus 120, 1,92,000. This is total basic plus DA. 1,92,000 multiplied by dearness allowance is 60%. 50% out of 60% is considered for retirement benefit. When a 50%, chancer avena 60%. 1,92,000 and a 50%, 96,000 and a 60%, 57,600 plus 1,92,000, 2,49,600. This is total salary. Average of 10 month is equal to total divided by 10, 2,49,600 by 10, 24960. This is average salary. Now minimum of following is exempted. First, actual gratuity received, actual gratuity received by him. Actual gratuity he received rupees 4,50,000. Second, last 10 months average salary multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year. Last 10 month average salary 24960 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year, that is 35 years. 24960 multiplied by 35 divided by 2, that is 4,36,800. Third, maximum rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these three, minimum is exempted. So exempted is 4,36,800. Now taxable, actual received minus exempted. Actual received by him is 4,50,000 minus 4,36,800. 13,200 is taxable gratuity. Now second part, pension. His monthly salary was 20. He got increment, retirement. He got commuted pension of rupees 2,40,000. ઓનલી કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શનની ડિટેલ આપેલી છે, અનકમ્યુટેડની નથી આપેલી. કમ્યુટેડ પેન્શન, સૌથી પહેલા ટોટલ કમ્યુટેબલ વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. રાઇટ એન્ડ અમાઉન્ટ. He surrender his 60% of total commutable is 2,40,000. 60, 2,40,000. So 100 है कितना? 2,40,000 multiplied by 100 by 60. 2,40,000 multiplied by 100 by 60. That is 4 lakhs. Exempted commuted pension. He received gratuity, so 1/3 of total commuted is exempted. 1/3 of total commuted is exempted. So 1/3 4 lakhs na. Received gratuity, then 1/3 of total commuted is exempted. Total commuted value is 4 lakhs. In a 1/3 1,33,333. Taxable, actual received minus exempted. Actual received by him 2,40,000 minus 1,33,333. 2,40,000 minus 133,333. That is 1,06,667. This is taxable. So this is your answer. Here our retirement benefit is completed. Now we will start our next topic, that is allowances, in our next session. Thank you.